This is class 5, subject science, lecture number is 16, unit number 5, pages 59, 60 and 61. Topic is disadvantages of friction. There are many disadvantages of friction. Number 1, friction with the road decreases the speed of vehicles. Number 2, the tires of vehicles wear and tear due to friction. These get damaged, the tires of the vehicles are damaged and they have to be replaced after some time. This is the disadvantage of friction. Similarly, if the chain of a bicycle and the pulley are not greased, these will wear out due to friction. Another disadvantage is that heat is produced between different parts of engine or machine due to friction, which results in loss of energy. Again, the soles of our shoes are worn out due to friction. These are the different disadvantages of friction. Next we come to methods to reduce friction. There are many methods by using which we can reduce friction. Number 1 is polishing of surfaces. By polishing the rough surfaces of objects, friction can be reduced. Here in the picture, the surface of object is being polished so as to make it smooth and reduce the friction. Another method to reduce friction is using lubricants. What are lubricants? Lubricants are oils or grease. So here in this picture you see lubricant is being used to reduce friction here. Third method to reduce friction is using rollers or wheels. Using rollers or wheels. Friction in rolling an object over another is much less as compared to sliding. Rolling में friction कम produce होती है as compared to sliding. Therefore, rollers or wheels are used to pull a cart or a TV trolley on the floor. They reduce friction and make our work easier. In this figure here, you see wheels have been used to carry the burden, and this has made the work easier. Next is using ball bearings. Using ball bearings. Ball bearing change sliding friction into rolling friction. What is the use of ball bearings? The ball bearings क्या करते हैं? These change sliding friction into rolling friction. They are usually placed around an axle, so the rotation of the wheel becomes easier. Axle is the central part, round which these are small. These are bearings which are fitted here round the axle. Axle is the central part. So what is the use of ball bearings? These change sliding friction into rolling friction. So these make the rotation of the wheel much easier. Next is fifth way to reduce friction is the use of streamlined body. The use of streamlined body. The streamlined shape faces minimum resistance whether in the air or in water. Therefore, the cyclists wear tight dress and bend their bodies to give themselves a streamlined shape which moves through the air easily. The streamlined shape है, it is something like the shape of a fish, body shape of a fish. इसका क्या फ़ायदा होता है? It faces minimum friction when moving, particularly in air and in water. Similarly, sport cars are always streamlined so that they can move fast. जो गाड़ियाँ हैं, स्पोर्ट्स कार्स हैं, उनकी भी शेप जो होती है वो स्ट्रीम लाइन होती है, ताकि वो बहुत आसानी से, तेज़ी से जो है फास्टली मूव कर सकें। इसी तरह जो स्विमर्स हैं, दे आल्सो एक्वायर स्ट्रीम लाइन शेप टू रिड्यूस द वाटर फ्रिक्शन। ये देखें आप, इन द फिगर यू कैन सी here a swimmer, you see, he has acquired streamline shape so as to face minimum friction. For this purpose, aeroplanes, ships and boats, they are given streamline shape so that they face less friction to move. Boat, it is of streamline shape, and ship, etc., aeroplane, all of these have streamlined shape so as to make their movement easy in the air, in the water respectively, and to face less friction. This is all about the today's lesson.